So guys, welcome. There's this question from JAMB 1998, question 23, which I believe is important for those preparing for all exams, including waec and maybe the mass olympiad. And the question reads as follows. The determinant of the matrix in terms of x is, we're given a 3 by 3 matrix whose elements are x, 1, 0, 1 minus x, 2, 3, 1, 1 plus x, 4. Quickly, we dive into this by writing solution. Next, we copy out the elements of our matrix. We have x, 1, 0, 1 minus x, 2, 3, 1, 1 plus x, 4. Proceeding, we do a recopy of our first two columns to represent column 4 and column 5. So we have x as 1 minus x, 1. We have 1, 2, 1 plus x. All right, now we come move to row 3, column 1, where we have 1, and we draw a diagonal line from that point to row 1, column 3, where we have 0. All right, next we move to row 3, column 2, where we have 1 plus x, and we draw a diagonal line from that point to row 1, column 4, where we have x, followed by a diagonal line from row 3, column 3, where we have 4, and the line will terminate at row 1, column 5, where we have 1. All right, move back, and we'll draw a diagonal line from row 1, column 1, where we have x, and our line will terminate at row 3, column 3, where we have 4. Next, we'll draw a diagonal line from row 1, column 2, where we have 1, to row 3, column 4, where we have 1. This followed by our last diagonal line, which we start from row 1, column 3, where we have 0, and terminate at row 3, column 5, where we have 1 plus x. All right, next we proceed to multiply the element falling within each diagonal line. So we have 1 times 2 times 0 gives us 0. 1 plus x times 3 times x, this gives us brackets open, 3x plus 3x squared, bracket close. Next we have 4 times 1 minus x times 1, this gives us brackets open, 4 minus 4x, bracket close. I will move down. Here we have x times 2 times 4. This gives us 8x. Next we have 1 times 3 times 1. This gives us 3. Next we have 0 times 1 minus x times 1 plus x. This gives us 0. Now, in proceeding, in order to proceed further, what we do is that we sum up our values that we have that we got from our the upper side of our work. Then we sum up what we got from our bottom side separately. So we have a sum of upper values. 0 plus bracket open, 3x plus 3x squared, bracket close, plus bracket open, 4 minus 4x, bracket close. Now when we sum this up, 0 has no value, so this gives us 3x plus 3x squared, plus we open our bracket, we have 4 minus 4x is equal to, we bring 3x squared forward, so we have 3x squared. 3x minus 4s, we have minus x. And lastly, plus 4 is the sum of our upper values. Now we proceed to sum of bottom values. All right, at the bottom we have 8x plus 3 plus 0. Sum these up, we have 8x plus 3. Now we proceed to subtracting the sum of our bottom value, or the sum of our upper value from the sum of our bottom value. So this, write this out as bracket open. Sum of bottom values minus bracket open, sum of upper value, bracket close. Our bottom values, we have 8x plus 3 minus bracket open. From the up, we have 3x squared minus x plus 4, bracket close. All right, proceed. We have 8x plus 3 minus times 3x squared, we have minus 3x squared, minus times minus x, we have plus x, minus times plus 4, we end up having minus 4. Now we proceed to collecting like terms, but first of all, we bring minus 3x squared forward, so we have minus 3x squared, right? Next we have 8x plus x gives us plus 9x. We have plus 3 minus 4 leaves us with minus 1. Therefore, our answer to these our determinants in terms of x as regard this question is minus 3x squared plus 9 minus 1. Thank you.